Do you want to know how to double space in MS Word? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Double spacing to the entire document. To apply double spacing to the entire document, navigate to the Design tab. Click on Paragraph Spacing. Select Double from the menu. Method 2. Double spacing for specific sections of the document. Highlight the paragraphs you wish to modify. Go to the Home tab. Click on Line and Paragraph Spacing. Choose 2.0 to double space the selected text. This will increase the space between lines, making your document easier to read. And there you have it, the methods to double space in MS Word. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.